Welcome back everyone to this next episode. We left Banff, we are on the Icefield Parkway on our way to Jasper. Fall color are here, is just beautiful. We are along Bow Lake at the moment. Anne is busy shooting some picture over there and we're just taking a break along the drive. It's gonna be probably a long day. We're planning to do a little hike along the way and we're most certainly gonna be stopping a lot. Beautiful time to be driving the mountain with fall colors everywhere. It's hard not to stop every 5 minutes. You just want to take photos of everything. It's just so gorgeous right now. We're in luck, weather is getting good. I can see some nice blue sky toward Jasper up there, so we're gonna enjoy this day before the next batch of rain arrives. What are you doing, Anne? I'm losing my mind, it's so good. Change our plan for today. Instead of doing a hike, we decided to go check out Abraham Lake. Fall colors are really coming out, so I think it was worth the stop. And it's a good morning from Jasper after a very wet night again. It's been pouring a lot. Everything is soaked in at the campsite, but we're out to shoot this morning early. Conditions are beautiful, creating fog, so we are right along the lake right now. our day here in Jasper. So Anne, where are we right now?
We're in the incredible Moline Canyon.
We are spending a beautiful afternoon here in Jasper, and we're very lucky with the weather. Sun came out and that sure helped to dry out our tents. We've been quite damp last night and early this morning, so it'll make it easier for tonight. We got it all dried up again. Second morning here in Jasper, another beautiful day. The sky cleared up yesterday afternoon. We're getting some sunshine again, but with that, of course, it's getting very cold. It went down to 0 degrees overnight. We sure are happy to have extra blankets and layer for the night for camping. But we've been up this morning again, shooting here at Pyramid Lake. There's some beautiful colors in the sky and the mist lifting from the lake. It's just gorgeous. Another beautiful day in Jasper. We are exploring Edith Cavell. Amazing glacier. I mean, you see the colors behind me, it's just incredible. Jasper this morning. We're heading south. We have one last adventure to go together, Anne and I. We're gonna go to Parker Ridge, and from there we're gonna say our goodbyes. She's gonna head back west, and I'm gonna continue probably east or down south. I don't know where I'm gonna end up tonight, but our joint adventure is gonna end with this one last hike together at Parker Ridge. So we just arrived in the parking lot for Parker Ridge, and just an advice for all my friends watching from Europe: when you come hiking in the Rockies in Canada, you're gonna need a bear spray, because this is bear country, grizzly country, so you want to make sure you have one of those when you go hiking in the mountains here. Another incredible week with Anne. We've seen so much, we've done so much, but it's time to say goodbye. I'm gonna head down. I'm gonna leave her here because I think she's just gonna stay here.